YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Jacoby the Trucker. Down here in Jacksonville, just talked to my old business partner who was running me when I was in Jacksonville. Shout out to Brian. You know, he ran me when I was down here, so he was the one that was keeping me moving, and he did keep me moving. And I did not have no twig, but okay, but I probably could have made a whole lot more if I did have my twig. But on another note, if y'all come, make sure y'all got y'all twig, man. I'm telling you, it's more people down here when I was down here, so it probably wasn't as hard to pull my box out. About to cuss, but make sure y'all got y'all twig, man, because that's gonna help him keep you moving. And the other guy, I don't know the other guy, but that's gonna help them keep you moving. You got your twig, they can send you in to get your box, your chassis, whatever you need to get. You know what I'm saying, to keep you moving. If you don't, you're gonna have to sit around and wait for a local guy to pull it out for you, and that can take time. If it get jammed up down there or something, it can be a process, man. I'm telling you, because I done had to sit and wait. I'm telling you. But make sure you get your twig, either have it on the way or have it in hand, and then that's gonna help you maximize your potential when you're running containers. That's all I got for y'all, boy. I'm signing out.